Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.2 question number 1. Here is the exercise 7.2 question number 1 is 7.2 question 1 is here you see which congruence criteria do we use in the following, right? Here is given AC is equal to DF. This AC side is equal to DF side, right? And AB is equal to DE. AB, that AB side is equal to DE side, right? And also BC side is equal to F. BC, this side, is equal to F. That means so triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. That means by the rule of side, 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 right? Therefore, the rule is side, side, side criterion. Side, 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 SSS, side, side, side congruent rule, right? That is, this triangle is by side, side, side congruent rule by side, side, side congruent rule, right? Now question number B. Given Zx is equal to Rp. Zx and Rp is same, right? And Rq, this side Rq is equal to Zy. And also angle PRQ, this angle PRQ is equal to angle XZY. Therefore, you can see here that side angle side. Therefore, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ by side angle side rule. Side angle side congruent rule. Side angle side congruent rule. Now, question number C. Given angle MLN. MLN means this angle. MLN is equal to angle FGH. FGH, this angle is equal. This angle and this angle is equal, right? Angle NML, 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 this angle NML equal to angle GFH, GFH, this angle is equal, right? And here see ML, that is ML is equal to FG. ML means this side is equal to FG, right? Therefore, triangle LMN is congruent to triangle GFH, that is angle side angle rule. That is angle side angle. That is angle side angle congruent rule. This is by angle side angle congruent rule. Now question number D is here you see D. AE is equal to BC. This AE is equal to BC, right? And angle A equal to angle C equal to 90 degree. Angle A and angle C is 90 degree, right? And EB equal to DB. EB is equal to DB. Here is said this side EB is equal to DB, right? And AE AE is equal to BC. This side is same, right? And angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Therefore, we can say that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle CDB by right hypotenuse side by right hypotenuse side congruent rule, right? Here you see this is by side congruent rule, this is by side angle side congruent rule, and this is angle side angle congruent rule, and this is by right hypotenuse side congruent rule. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.